Hi friend, ExcelGuru and this query from Rakesh. Okay, and not only that, I add a new method of solution by what you say, Saradh Gupta. He did solution with Power Query. Okay, so here he wants to get the values. See, product one is there, so he wants to get the values like this. When product one is here, then it has to pick up these two things. When product two is there, then it has to pick up these two things. Okay, like that. So what I'll do, first of all, I'll delete this whole thing. Okay, now I'll show you the method. It's very easy method. No need to do all the mad things. Okay, it's very simple. This one also. Okay. Now coming to here, first of all, I like to ask where is the position of product one in that range. I'm feeding only the column, but not the row. I will tell you why I'm doing this because I want to uh, bring into the E column also. For that reason, I want to drag this formula into E column for that reason, comma, and select the range F4, comma 0. So it will give you the position where it finds. Okay. It finds first position and fourth position and seventh position. Okay. So here what I'll do here, now I use, when I drag this formula, it has to become, see, first of all, what I'll do, I add 1 here. Okay, so it will jump to second, control D. Okay, but when I drag this formula into here, it has to become 3. Understood? When I drag this formula, it has to become 3. Right. It is showing 2 only, just I want to change this one. In place of 1, what I'll do, I use columns function, columns of the formula, log the column D9 colon D9. Okay, that's enough. Right. Enter. When I drag this formula to right, it will become 3. When I double click, sorry, when I double click here, it will add 5 plus 2, 7. Sorry, 5 plus 1, here 1, here 2. Right. 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay. So here I use one function that is offset of, what is offset here? The first position. The reference from here, it has to start. I'm locking this one, comma, and how many rows you want to move? 2 rows. You want to jump 2 rows. Okay. And I don't need any sort of columns. So I'm using only comma and close brackets. Understood? How many columns here? How many rows? 2. When I drag this formula to right side, so it will become 3 columns. Okay, 3 rows. It will jump to 3 rows. Understood what I mean to say? Now see the magic. It's very simple. That's it. Just I did Control R. After the formula is here, so I used the Control R for that. Here I did Shift right arrow, Control R, Control D. That's it. Okay, understood? And I will add the solution by Sharad Gupta, solved in Power Query. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.
Oh.